Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about my interview experience for the position of project engineer in Bharat Electronics Limited, Bell, Bangalore. So let's get started. Bell is a major defense electronic company and it has its headquarters and main manufacturing unit in Bangalore. It was established in 1954 and it is a Navaratna PSU under the Ministry of Defense. Bell is primarily known for its defense electronics production, including systems for the Army, Navy, and Air Force. It designs, develops, and manufactures a wide range of products for these services. Now, let's discuss the job notification for this post. So, the project engineer position was on temporary base for its naval systems SNCS SPU Bangalore complex. The age limit was 32 years and there were 4 number of posts. The minimum post qualification experience should be 2 years and the location of posting will be in Bangalore. But they also specified like a candidate should be willing to relocate to any other location or willing to travel frequently to any other places for project related work. And they are describing about terms of engagement and remuneration. The position will be for a period of 3 years, which may be extended up to maximum of 4 years. And they are describing additional benefits like tier allowances, retention bonuses, etc. The essential qualification for this post is 4-year BTech in Computer Science or Electronics and Communication with a pass class. And the candidate should have 2 years of relevant post qualification experience in the field of C and C++ programming languages. But teaching or research work or experience in non-profit organization internship will not be considered as relevant post qualification experience. You have to submit all the documents like final degree certificate, consolidated mark list, all the semester wise mark list, experience certificate and relieving letters, etc. They specified the roles and responsibilities of the project engineer like software testing. Create, maintain, and execute the test cases and scenarios for application based requirements. Conduct both manual and automated testing. Identify, document, and report bugs with description. Work closely with software developer to reproduce and resolve issues. Regression testing and load testing. The next one is software documentation, like preparation of software requirements, interface control document and user manual, preparation of software test plan, test reports and test summaries. Selection procedure includes a written test followed by an interview. Then they are describing how to apply for this post, the starting date and closing date, etc. You have to send hard copies of all the documents specified in the notifications via post to the Bell Bangalore complex before the closing date, and there is an application fee of rupees 472. At last, the job notification consists of general instructions like medical insurance scheme, training, candidature selection, disqualification, etc. You can go through it if you want. Now let's discuss about call letter and other details. I got an email regarding call letter for the written test, and it is specified that the date of written test will be on February 1st, Saturday, and the reporting time will be at 8:30 a.m. at Bharat Electronics Officers Club, Jalahalli. And there was an attachment which was the admit card. You have to bring that admit card to the exam, and you have to paste your photo and fill the other details, etc. So the commencement of exam will be at 9 o'clock and it will be up to 10:30. Now let's discuss about the written test. As mentioned in the admit card, the test was around 1.5 hours and there were approximately 80 multiple choice questions. I used a ballpoint pen to circle the correct answer. The question booklet comes with a worksheet attached, and in the question booklet itself we have to mark the answers. There were no separate answer sheets. Majority of the questions were focused on theory. The questions were based on classes and objects, OOPS concepts like polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, etc. Structures and functions, pointers, friend, class, and virtual functions. The other type of questions was like certain codes will be given. You have to find the output or you have to find out the current statement about the given code. The exam level was easy, but I don't have any information about the cutoff mark, and I qualified the written exam. Now let's discuss about the questions that were asked during the interview process. The first question was self introduction, as like in any other interview, and then they asked about my experience details, and they asked nested loop concept and recursion concept, and they specifically asked my hands on experience in C++ programming language. And finally, they asked me about my willingness to relocate to Cochin for at least 2 years. The posting will be in Bangalore, but you have to spend at least 2 years in Cochin, and you have to travel back and forth to Bangalore and Cochin. Now I'm gonna tell my overall interview experience. I reached at Bell Officers Club around 8:45 in the morning. The exam started around 9 o'clock and it ended after 1.5 hours. And then we waited around half an hour. Then they declared the results. Then we have to wait for the interview. The written test and interview were conducted on the same day. So before the interview, the verification process was going on. There was a thorough verification of all original documents, including semester-wise mark sheets and relieving letters. And in between, we had lunch from the canteen. They provided free lunch for all the people, including the people who accompanied the candidates also. The event was well organized. There were 3 to 4 staff members were present during the entire process, helping the candidates. There were 4 officials in the interview panel, and it was about 15 to 20 minutes. I could answer majority of the questions, and when they asked about the willingness to relocate to Cochin, it was a big no from my side. And after that, I left Bell around 3 o'clock in the evening. So this is how my interview at Bell looks like. And after around 3 weeks, the results were published in the website, and unfortunately I was not selected. But definitely I will try my level best next time. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.